guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can plant a vegetable or flower, or basically plant anything on The Sims 4. So you're going to need like a pot, which is, I feel like it's in outdoor plants. You're going to need these like raised gardens or this one, but I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to add it to, I'm going to just add it here. I'm going to add like 4, for instance. Go back to live mode and select this and select purchase seeds and choose like the seeds you want to plant. I'm just going to go 1 for each. Then you're going to select inventory and you're going to select the seeds, and then you're going to select open seed packet. And you're going to do that for all of them. So I got a grape, plantain, bluebell, I can't say that, carrot, mushroom, parsley, and sage. And I'm going to just plant, like so, select it, and then I'm just going to select plant, and I'm just going to choose the one I want to plant. I want to plant a grape, and then parsley, and then this bluebell, and then lastly I'm going to plant a carrot. And I'm just going to fast forward it and wait for her to plant it all. And then you can, you can plant more actually if you want. I'm just going to randomly plant stuff. You can also like water them later, by the way. So I think you can plant like 4 per like what is this, a bed, and then you can water them later on if you have if you have added everything, and it's going to grow over the course of like a few days. It's not going to take a long time as it's going to be in real life. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!